What about Gemini Live? I have used Google's. I have used Google's Gemini Live, and I've used it for document examination. Yes. How about ChatGPT? Can it analyze images? Yes. I know how to use the feature, but I'm not sure how I can get the free version of ChatGPT to look at the document. What is the what is the URL of the ChatGPT? Now let me specifically remind me again. What did you say? ChatGPT. What is the URL?
The URL for ChatGPT is chat.openai.com. If the image input feature isn't available on the free version, you may need to explore other options or consider a subscription for advanced features. Would you like any more assistance with this?
Um, Let me see. I now I'm I'm there, and now I wanted to attach a document and ask ChatGPT to examine it. So I click on the attach button. Then I sign up for free.
Able to attach your document for analysis.
Yeah, I already used it in the past. So introduction, no
Great.
improvement. Show
Before,
me.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep exploring its features and feel free to
What are you looking on? What are you working on? There is an icon that says tools on it. Create an image, search the web, write the code. There is a there is a create an image, but where can I take an image that is created already? Or photo? Add a photo in files. Add a photo in files. And what file format does it have to be in? What about GIF? And I upload it. What should I ask ChatGPT? What is in the image, or it says that it is analyzing it?
You can ask ChatGPT to check if the eviction notice meets current legal requirements.
Okay, that sounds like a good idea. I just uploaded a document, and it really doesn't explain the content of the document. Summarize the image because it's really not a document. Yeah, it says that it is analyzing. I uploaded an animation of yeah, I'm trying to upload a document that is, I mean, an animation that's in a GIF file. Yeah, I'm trying to see what exactly. Some of it is a GIF and some of it is a ping. I'll try to upload the ping and see, because I let me try the GIF first. See what it does. Yeah, display the gift, and then I will ask him explain. Explain. Yeah, it displays the image, and then it says the gift you uploaded appears to be a promotional speaker slide for an event. Here details breakdown. So it wrote the visual style, neon and retro and so on, and mascot icon. Then the location was Nova Southern University. And the event, yeah, it interpreted pretty much a photo of two people, a man and a woman, likely, and the names, the future and beyond styles, sci fi inspired, and cartoon indicates forward thinking and innovative theme. South Florida. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, it's the topic was AI caller and visual recognition. So I will ask him, what is the topic? What's the topic? Yes, what's the topic about? Innovative future trends. Speakers are known in the tech data, artificial intelligence, and data science, and so on. No, I was expecting that he will understand more the details. He didn't. The image includes the topic of the lecture that was given at the university, which is AI callers specifically, but it ignored the topic. I will try to what about. Yeah, I typed what about AI callers. Let's see what he will respond. Great. Yeah, he said right. It said great question. If AI callers is the topic of the session, are presenting likely interpretation. Session topic AI callers to the future and beyond. What it likely covers. What are AI callers? AI driven virtual agent that can make and receive phone calls, simulate human conversation, and perform tasks. Yeah, it explained it pretty well. And then other topics that include, I have to look at it myself. Another topic that includes visual recognition. Let's see if you have to be very specific. Visual recognition. Yeah, I asked him visual recognition with the question mark. Let's see what he says about it. Yeah, he didn't really understand, and the topic was how visual recognition affects and how does it affect the search engine results page. Right. Yeah, let me ask that. How about visual recognition and its relationship to topping the SERP, search engine results page? I asked the, I asked the question, but it looks like it doesn't. You're touching a deep and nuanced topic. The relationship between visual recognition, AI analyzing images, and search engine results page. Let's break it down clearly. And then it proceeds to explain that how are they connected. Yes, indirectly, but not in the way people usually think. Visual recognition by itself, like detecting objects in photos or identifying people, does not directly influence your ranking on Google's SERP. But how you can use visuals and how search engine analyzes them using AI-based images understanding can influence ranking. And then it proceeds to explain Google uses of visual AI in search. The algorithm use visual recognition to understand images better, what's in them, how they how relevant they are to a query, etc. Google Lens, for example, is powered by this kind of technology. Image SEO, search engine optimization, images that are relevant, properly tagged with alt text and file name, optimized for speed, includes semantic context, can improve overall page quality signal, help with the SERP ranking. And then it proceeds to explain featuring snippets and image packs, user engaged matrix. So it really elaborates. It's important to be extremely detailed. And then it explains what's visual recognition, what it does, and what it doesn't do. Yes, okay, I will continue on my own a little bit and I will ask you later. Thank you very much. Thank you. Goodbye for now. Bye now. want to go to right email address, which I don't know what happened to it. Disappeared on me all of a sudden. Gmail. So now I want to upload the subfolder that I just created here to Google Drive. Upload. Upload complete. And the other one is complete when upload. And the other one is Google Voice. I want to copy it to the clipboard buffer, then see if Google can upload that. Click upload and click upload again for the second time. So select replace it and the 63 files that it's trying to upload.
הלו?
נוח, אני לא קיבלתי את האימג'.
היית מאוד משפט אחד היית צריך להוסיף, ובסוף גם אחרי שעשיתי את כל זה, הטננט יצר לי טקסט, אמר לי שמחר הוא מתכוון לשלם, אז כל זה, אתה יודע, הכל התבלבל לגמרי שם. אז בוא נראה מה יהיה מחר, אין מה לעשות, אין לי
כן.
כן.
תשמע,
לא
אני
עשיתי מה
לא הסברתי לך טוב מה שאני ניסיתי להגיד לך מוקדם יותר היום. I was trying to tell you that this application that I wanted to teach you and to show you is doing exactly that. And that application that I was trying to explain to you can interpret images and videos. Do you understand it? לא, זה, לא, אתה, אתה, לא, אבל אתה לא מבין מה אני אומר לך, נוח, תקשיב שנייה. האפליקציה הזאת היא לא רק לוידאו, היא גם כן לאימג'. איך שזה עובד, זה משתלט על המצלמה של הטלפון שלך, אתה מבין? לא, לא, אתה, כן, אתה לא צריך שום קומפיוטר, אבל אם יש לך מסמך על הקומפיוטר, זה לא חשוב איפה שהמסמך נמצא, נוח. מה שחשוב, לא, לא, תקשיב שנייה, נוח. אני יודע שאני לא מסביר לך טוב, אז אתה לא מבין בכלל על מה אני מדבר, נוח. אתה לוקח את הקומפיוטר שלך, יש לך את האימג' של המסמך הזה על המחשב באיזשהו מקום, או באינטרנט באיזשהו מקום, אז אתה, לא חשוב איפה שזה נמצא, על השולחן שלך, על נייר, אז אתה רק תקשיב שנייה, ותן לי, אני מתקשה להסביר לך בצורה שאתה תבין מה זה. תן לי הזדמנות להסביר לך בצורה, אולי אני אדבר רק בעברית, אתה לוקח את האימג' הזה, וזה לא חשוב איפשהו. יכול להיות, אפשר לשים את המצלמה על הפרצוף שלך, ואז להגיד, אז אתה לוחץ, כמו שאתה לוחץ לעשות, אתה יודע איך לעשות תמונה בטלפון, נכון? אז אני מנסה להסביר לך, האפליקציה הזאת משתלטת על הטלפון, אתה מבין? ועכשיו, במקום שאתה עושה צילום בטלפון, בצורה הרגילה שאתה עושה צילום בטלפון, אז יש לך את אותם האייקונס בתוך האפליקציה הזאת, אתה מבין? ועכשיו שאתה, ועל האפליקציה יש לך תמונה, אתה יכול לקחת וידאו, יש לך, you have a picture of a video camera and you have a picture of a still camera. Do you understand? When you click on the still camera, it takes a picture of the image. Do you understand? No, it will take a picture and it will show you the picture that it took. You will see it on the screen of the phone. Do you understand? Right? Listen and let me finish and make sure that you understand instead of talking a lot. After it takes the picture, it starts, it says processing, and then it scans the picture and explains to you what is in the picture in English. Do you understand? Or could it just listen a second? It first will narrate to you, which means it will read it out loud as if you were blind and you cannot see anything. Do you understand? And after it reads it, it will give you an opportunity to ask it questions, so you can talk to it and you can tell it, tell me if the form as it is now is compliant with the most recent form of the same kind.
אינפורמציה בפורום, לתת אינפורמציה חדשה, אבל צריך לדעת אם הכל אצלי, זה נהדר. אם הוא יכול לעשות את זה כמו ה-AI, אין בעיה, הבנתי את הרעיון.
לא הבנת עדיין. אז אתה תשאל אותו, תקשיב שנייה. כן, אז for example, you'll ask him, compare this image that is outdated, let's say from year 2020, to the image that is required to comply with the code of the state of Florida in the year 2025, and tell me if there is any missing information, and it will tell you, and then you can ask him questions about it. You understand?
כל היה כמעט אותו דבר, חוץ ממשפט אחד קטן שהם הוסיפו, שגם לא יודע אם זה חיוני, אבל הוסיפו. הוספתי את זה ונגמר הסיפור. לשאול שאלות, לקבל דיווחים, זה לא מספיק גדול בשביל לשחק עם ה-AI, עם הקומוניקציה איתו. זה מספיק גדול, זה כאילו 5 משפטים. זה הכל.
חשוב שאתה אתה רוצה להשתמש, you want to use a small document at the beginning because you don't know what you are doing, just for you to learn it well. You want to use a small document as an intermediary step, so later when you have really a challenging situation, it is, yes, it is something that you have to, but you have to understand fully at the beginning what the program is supposed to do.
שאלות אינפורמציה, כל מה שאתה רוצה.
Yeah, you talk to it, Noach. Imagine to yourself that you are blind and you cannot see anything. You understand? I want you to understand the I want you to understand the purpose of that. Then maybe this way you will understand the functionality. לא, לפני שהוא מקריא את זה, הוא כותב, it is, he transcribes it, so you see it in the text. Now, if you are blind, of course you cannot see anything, so then he reads it to you out loud, which is in English called narrates it. You understand? And after he stops, then you can ask him questions, and then you can ask him the question that you have, and then have a discussion with him or with her about how to improve it. You understand? But you have to practice a little that you get an idea, because I have trouble. If I had the phone with me, the whole thing, to download it and to run it takes about 5 seconds.
כמו משהו אחרי 10 שנים שפה לא עשיתי את זה, אבל
Okay.
כל אותו
So
לא 5 משפטים, זה הכל.
the main thing is that everything is okay. It is not complicated at all, Noach. If you understand how to do it, it takes exactly 10 seconds. And It is very Noach, it is very simple. All you have to do is to run the program, and instead of clicking the button of the camera that you have a copy of all the button inside the app. You understand? So there's nothing to it. Exactly. So it's exactly like using it normally, except that you have to click on the icon of the app and run the app. And once the app runs, it gives you the same picture that you see on your phone. You have an icon for a video camera to take video, and you have a picture of a still camera to take a still shot. And if you don't if can I understand, but I just want to explain it to you. And if you don't understand, if no, listen, if you don't if you cannot see well the picture, you can put the cursor on the picture and it will pop up an explanation, take video and take picture. You understand? Yeah, yes. ואם אתה עיוור עד כדי, if you are blind that you cannot read, you can use a narrator. A narrator is a software that will read the icons to you. So if you are totally blind, you don't have you just put your cursor, you go around with your cursor, and every time you stop the cursor, the narrator will read it. Yeah, I know because yeah, he doesn't understand anything. It's a big and he doesn't no, he doesn't answer. He doesn't answer. He doesn't. No, no. Listen, no. He answers it an hour or 2 hours later. By that time, it's not relevant. Or you exactly, exactly. Yeah.
והם חוזרים, אתה יודע, הוא הולך ל10 דקות, אני נכנס הביתה, שם את הרובה בצד, אני שומע את נוחת בחזרה על הגז. אתה מבין?
למה? לא, אני יודע, נוח. תשמע, אני קצת יותר מבוגר ממך, ואני עשיתי את אותו דבר, נוח. למה שלא תנסה מה שאני הצעתי לך? למה שלא תשתמש במשפריץ הזה שאמרתי לך? כן, זה שום דבר. אתה, שת, listen, when you clean your car, do you have a, but okay, no. I told you what works. תשמע, תשמע, נוח, תקשיב טוב. היו שני אנשים שעמדו על הגג בבית המשוגעים, והם אמרו, אנחנו הולכים לקפוץ מהגג של 100 קומות, והאנשים from the fire department were standing there, and they were telling them not to jump from the roof to commit suicide. You understand, Noah? Them and the people on the roof in the in the asylum זה בית משוגעים, אתה מבין? אז מה הם עשו? The fire department, what did they do? They took another crazy guy from the hospital where the other two crazies on the roof recognized him, and that crazy guy told them, if you don't quit threatening that you will jump from the roof, I will go up on. He brought a flashlight. It was at night, you understand? And he told them, "I'm going to go on the light ray to the roof, and I'm going to beat you." So they said, "Okay, okay, okay, we're coming down." So 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 listen, when they came down, the press asked them, why, when the fire department told you to come down, you didn't want to come down? And when the idiot, when the crazy guy came and told you to come down, you came down. So that's what they said. You understand?
כמה רגעים הם אוכלו, הוא יאכל את זה, הם יאכלו את זה, מי שנמצא על הגג, יאכלו את זה. אבל מה שקניתי בהום דיפו, את הזה של העכברים, חרטא מלא, וצחקו לי בפרצוף.
So that's why I'm telling you, for $10 you can buy a special. לא, זה לא, זה לא מלכודות, נח, אתה לא מבין מה אני אומר לך. זה לא מלכודות, זה משפריץ במיוחד להשפריץ. So, so that, but you don't even have to go. When I go on the roof for the pickaxe, I don't go all the way on the roof. I just go up to my shoulders. Yes, yes. Yeah. In my case, they went off the roof. The whole the whole family. Listen, I had about 7 or 8 of them on the roof, and they all went away. You told me.